Aloha, my name is Swarna and this is my husband Kaushik. It was a great experience today. The team's effort was excellent and I look forward to the same experience after birth as well. Thank you.
Thank you.
We had a great evening today. Thank you so much for the wonderful program. The games were really nice. It was kind of a stress relief for us. We really enjoyed. Thank you so much for inviting.
Hi, the entire team of Sadat Chandrama Baby Shower. We really enjoyed the shower and we had a great time and fun. Not just as even the first one daughter also, she too enjoyed it. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, my name is Lakshmi and his name is Ganesh. So we participated in the baby shower program at Sagar Chandra Hospital. We had a great time, lovely activities, lovely people around, and thank you so much for organizing this so well.
Thank you.
Hi, this is Sima and Vinod. We had a very good time here and the games were also very good and it was very mind refreshing and snacks, everything was very nice and tasty also. Thanks for the baby shower conducted by the Sagar Chandram Hospital.
Thank you, Sagar Chandram.
Thank you.
ಸಾಗರ್ ಚಂದ್ರಮ್ಮ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಬಿ ಶವರ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಕಾಲ್ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು. ಸೊ ಒನ್ ಡೇ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಇನ್ವಿಟೇಷನ್ ಕೂಡ ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ರು. ಸೊ ಸೂಪರ್, ತುಂಬಾ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಯ್ತು. ಸೊ ಶಂಶುದ್ ಅವರು ಮತ್ತೆ ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾನಿಯನ್ ಅವರು ಮತ್ತೆ ಅಮೃತ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಅವರು ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ನಡೆಸ್ಕೊಟ್ರು ಬೇಬಿ ಶವರ್. ಸೊ ನಾನು 2-3 ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಯ್ತು. ಅವ್ರು ಮೂವರು ಕೂಡ ಒಂದು ಬಂದಂತವ್ರನ್ನ ರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಮತ್ತೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಸ್ಪೀಚ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ನಡೆಸ್ಕೊಡೋದು ಎಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬಾ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಯ್ತು. ತುಂಬಾ ಖುಷಿ ಆಯ್ತು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಸಾಗರ್ ಚಂದ್ರಮ್ಮ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಇದು ಬೇಬಿ ಶವರ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ದು ಈ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಕೇರಿಂಗು ಎಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸಾಗರ್ ಚಂದ್ರಮ್ಮ.